All right, guys, Tentacle Tools has sent us a care package. Let's check out what they sent us. Tentacle Tools website is thelittlefitter.com. They have an amazing mirror setup for you tube welders. I wish I had this huge mirror in Tulsa last year when I was welding on the heater. This would have helped me out so much, and I wish I had it. But anyways, it's a magnetic mirror. You turn it on, sucker does not move. I mean, it's strong as crap. Pop it off, loose. These points all move around, and you can put your little 2x4 mirror or the 4x4 mirror on there as well. Then you got the Little Fitter tube clamp. This thing is updated and way better than the last version. Super slim, lightweight. It comes with the bigger wire band for your 6-inch, 8-inch pipe, and the smaller band is for your tubes, but you can use either one to your liking. So that is an awesome setup from littlefitter.com, which is Tentacle Tools on social media. But this thing, oh my gosh, this is a heater welder's dream right here. You loosen this right here, whoop, sucker, I mean, dude, the thing freaking. Also, guys, the base of this would fit amazingly on tubes or pipe. It is not a square piece of magnet. Also, this side is as well. See the angle there. So again, this thing is amazing. Great setup from Tentacle Tools, littlefitter.com. Check them out. You won't be disappointed. If you're a tube, heater welder, boilers, doesn't matter. Anything to do with tube and pipe welding, this is it. Check them out. But if I was a specialty tube and pipe welder, I would definitely have this in my job box, because a lot of the times you can fit your own tubes pretty fast, and most of the jobs it's easier just to fit your own tubes if you're a really capable and skilled tube welder. So I would definitely have these in my job box if I was going to be a tube welder or already a tube welder. So this will make your life 10 times easier. Like I said, if you're welding radiants in a cabin heater or the tubes on a can heater, this mirror, the 4x4 mirror, would be amazing. Like, just phenomenal to use on a job. I haven't used it yet, but I'm gonna check it out here at the school in a couple weeks. Stay tuned.